China is pushing foreigners to get inoculated with Chinese-made vaccines. It's offering a streamlined process towards a Chinese visa as a reward. NTD's Don Ma has more.
China is making it easier to get their visa. All that foreigners have to do is get inoculated with a Chinese-made vaccine. When applying for a Chinese visa, those who show a Chinese vaccination certificate will have their process expedited. Effective as of Monday, the new rule will apply to the US, Australia, Italy, Greece, and other countries. China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson, Zhao Lijian, says that the new rule is to facilitate resuming international travel. But some Western media outlets have accused Beijing of vaccine diplomacy. That is to boost its standing on the world stage by offering its homegrown vaccines, despite the fact that most Western countries have yet to approve vaccines made by Chinese companies. As of February, the Chinese regime has promoted its vaccine to nearly 70 countries, but the effectiveness of the vaccines are still up for debate. A document by the Journal of the American Medical Association revealed that major Chinese pharmaceutical companies would not publish its final trial testing data of its vaccines. Meanwhile, all other companies have published their data. Based on reports, efficacy of some of the Chinese vaccines can vary wildly. The effectiveness of Sinovac Biotech's CoronaVac fluctuates up to 40%. The lowest rate is no better than a flip of a coin at exactly 50%. That's compared to more than 90% for Pfizer and Moderna vaccines from the US. In extreme cases, some people have been partially paralyzed from Chinese vaccines. One woman in Mexico died just 40 minutes after getting a Chinese shot. Don Ma, NTD News.
The European Union is saying no to Chinese-made vaccines, but dozens of developing countries are doing the opposite. Chinese-made vaccines are expected to be excluded from the EU's Vaccine Passport Certification Program. They are not approved by the European Medicines Agency. Transparency is the main concern. China's 4 vaccine makers that developed CCP virus vaccines have not published detailed data on their clinical trials. Other makers with approved vaccines have already done so. CCP mouthpiece The Global Times claims that the EU's rejection of Chinese vaccines is, quote, vaccine nationalism. Meanwhile, according to Radio Free Asia, Vietnam is also excluding Chinese-made vaccines. It will import a large number of vaccines from the US, the UK, Russia, and other countries, but not from China. But some other countries have accepted Chinese-made vaccines. Earlier this month, the Chinese regime's foreign minister said that China has approved free vaccines to about 70 developing countries and exported vaccines to more than 40 countries. Some see the move as vaccine diplomacy. The aim is likely to push the regime's soft power.